Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BIM with Gauri, BIM Plus Design channel. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to create a curtain wall from scratch and also to add curtain grids, mullions, and finally insert a curtain wall door, which we are going to create in our Revit in this tutorial. Okay, so at first, see, this is basically the architecture tab showing the curtain components of curtain wall. So basically for creating a curtain wall, we can go to the walls and we can simply select a curtain wall. See, here there are a number of walls. I can select a curtain wall from here. I have simply created my curtain wall. See, this is a curtain wall which I have created. I can add grids, mullions in this curtain wall. See, I have selected it and going to architecture tab, we can see curtain grids here. I can add the number of curtain grids that I need. See, and also I can make these grids move at the equal distance. See, so I will be making this curtain grids at equal distance by giving this EQ constraint. So see, these are at equal distance now. Okay. So now going to the 3D, we will add curtain mullions in this. See, I have added curtain mullions in my curtain wall. Basically, this is the easiest way to create curtain wall. Also, there is another way to set the mullions in this and do the setting of the curtain wall. We can add the horizontal grids here, vertical mullions, horizontal mullions, which I will teach you in my next video. In this tutorial I will teach you very basic to clear all your concepts. So now we can also add horizontal mullions. See, I have added a curtain grid. Now after adding the curtain grid, I can give mullions here. So see, this is basically a different curtain panel now, which is divided by the mullions. So I can change it into solid as well. Right now it shows as glazed. We can convert it into solid also. So see, a basic curtain wall is created. So guys, now we are adding a curtain door in our curtain family. Curtain wall family. So see, I have selected the same, like I have converted this glazed panel into a solid panel. Now see, let's find. Actually, there are no doors available in my project. So we can create one there. It is very simple to create a curtain door. So see, for creating a curtain door, we need curtain wall door, curtain door template. See, I have gone to the family tab, family templates. See, metric door curtain wall. We can create a family of the door in this. I'll be creating a simple extrusion family for that. So see, I have basically created an extrusion logged as parameters. Also its heights parameter. So see, I am loading this into my project. Load into the project. I have loaded this as family 1 or family 2. I loaded basically. Okay, so see this. This is a curtain door. It basically seems as similar to this, but we can edit it as required. We can customize the door as needed. Okay. So basically guys, this is the final result. I've shown you a completed curtain wall with the door as well as the glazed panels. So, and that is how you create a curtain wall with grids, mullions and curtain wall doors. So guys, if you like my video and like my tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.